Today I'm making a scratch project in 7 days. I already did a little bit of work. Please don't count that as cheating. Please subscribe. I need this. But let's get into it. I'm trying to make like a horror TV game. Or sleep paralysis, I don't know. But watch this. I can look around. Wow. I need to fix this. See, 1 second, that's A. Oh, because I need to move it, yeah. No, it's 190 in there. Okay, now we just, stop everything and start it all. Well, start. Let's go. Why isn't it doing that? Here we go. There we go. And then just stop everything and turn on everything. What? Why isn't it there? If I hide this and put that back, then show. This no shows. And then it works. It works after long tries. Now I need to make the actual horror aspect of the game. What if, like, you're watching TV in bed? Oh, yes. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Do that. Do that. Let's do that. First, we gotta make a bed model. And let's create one. I want to look like the 90s or 80s, technically. No offense. Something like that. It has to go on like that. Something like that. And the bed connects there. There's that. That. You know what? Why don't I just use the box tool? Oh, yeah. You know what? Actually, let's change color. You know what? It's going to be a brownish dark type. Like that. There. Perfect. Whoa. That's trippy. We do that. Okay. So there we go. Now we do fill. Basically fill this in. You know, what do I worry? Well, actually, this is where the box tool comes in handy. I'm gonna do a red blanket. Like Minecraft. We're going to do this, and then we're going to do this. Trust me, this will make sense in a sec. And then we're going to grab it and turn it. It works. Like that. It works. Like that, and then we do that. And then there, and then we do the same thing for this one, and we kind of do that, and those are overlapping. That's perfect. It's like a blanket. And for the last thing, we just Create a new box here. And then another box here. Another box here. And, oh, it's a bed. It's a bed. Don't tell me it isn't, because it is. It's a full-time bed. And bro, watch this. Stitches on the bed. To stitch it all together. Bro, look at that. It's so cool. Like, so cool. And here we go. And so, connect that. Put in the comments from 1 to 10, how do you think of this? Because it's my best artwork so far. And there. What is the monster going to look like? You have to put that in comments if I didn't already tell you. But this is probably going to be day 1. This is probably going to be day 1. So, let's do that. And then that. Okay. So now we're doing this and that. This is a long video. A very long video. Well, let's do that and that. That and that. And that and that. Okay. That's technically the bed done. Now we just need to do this. Like detailing. Oh, how I don't like detailing. Do that. We do that. That. Looks like an old bed. There. Now I gotta reshape it because, yeah, this is not really the size of my bed in this game. So, oh my gosh, detail work, and then do this. No filling, no. I already know, this color, a little bit darker. There, you know, like the knobs on there. Okay. Just click this, make it a little bit bigger, and put it there. Now it works. Whee! And now we're going to select this entire thing and move it a bit down. Okay. And now we're going to shrink this down a bit. There? Yes. There we go. For the bed, we can just copy all of this. Actually, copy it from here. Grab all of this, drag it into there. This should be working. You know what? Stop all. Press space. And hope for the best. Oh my gosh. It works. It works. Sleep paralysis, here I come. We can fix that later. But yeah. What should we add on both sides? Yeah, what should we add on both sides? Actually. Stop game. Okay. So. Yeah, I'm not doing that now. Okay. On, say, if you just press space and go this side, and then stop it, what should we add here? Let's add a door, actually. Let's make a door. after these doors and the functionality, then it's gonna be day 1. Let's do this. Okay, for a door, I want it to be like that, to about there, and then it's gonna go like that, then like that, then like that. It may look horrible here, but don't worry, because I got the power of editing. Bro, that looks so creepy. Oh. And we do that. And then we do that. And then we just squish this in. So do that. Do that. That. Do that. Bro, it looks like a bite out of the door. But let's do that. Bro, there's so many lines. Stop with all the lines. There we go. Do that. It looks crippled. We can fix that. There. Okay. That's door 1. I'm just gonna fill it in. With what? Actually, no. We're not gonna fill it in. Do boxes. And then we're going to do that color. Then a brownish door color. And we're gonna do that just like this one. Put there. That's gonna be deleted. Resize this to be full door size. No fill needed. Let's do this. There. Look at this. It's full on door. Full on door. Full on door. Okay, now we need to do that. Do that, do that. And wada bing, wada boom. We go yellow. Yellowish. No, not gray. And then we just plop that down. Right there. Now we can obviously move those. And stretch these so it looks diagonal. Yep, that looks like a door to me. If I've ever seen a door that looks like it. Not like I would be staring at doors. No, not at all. But that's the door done. It's first phase. Now, I'm testing something here. Needs its own code. It's forever. And say 1, 2, 3. Let's go sensing. And 1 key pressed. Okay. It's gonna be, remember, A, not B, D, and where's S? S. So S is the middle of a room. So it would be looks and hide. And when D pressed, so that's looking over, show, then A pressed, that's hide. Let's turn this on. You know what? Turn everything off. Events when space pressed. Oh my gosh. Let's do this. Oh! Oh, smooth! Smooth! It's so smooth! Yeah! Now we have a bedroom! Now, that is episode 1! Make sure to subscribe for episode 2. If I get 2 more subscribers, I'll do episode 2, please. I need it. And we gotta make the monster in next episode. So see you then. Subscribe!